Namaste. Let us continue with the 56th sloka in chapter 2. duḥkheṣv-anudvigna manāḥ sukheṣu vigata-spṛhaḥ vīta-rāga-bhaya-krodhaḥ sthita-dhīr munir ucyate. duḥkheṣv-anudvigna manāḥ sukheṣu vigata-spṛhaḥ vīta-rāga-bhaya-krodhaḥ sthita-dhīr munir ucyate. Had asked Bhagavan about the lakshanas of a brahmajnani, one who has attained the knowledge of the self. And Bhagavan had started elaborating on the same. In the previous sloka, Bhagavan had explained that a brahmajnani in samadhi experiences a state of bliss. He is happy in self by himself. Atmaneva atmana tushtaha. We all find happiness in something or because of something, while a brahmajnani finds happiness within himself. He has left all his desires, for there is nothing he wants in this world. We all want something because we see the other thing as different from ourselves. Therefore, there is a like or a dislike. But for a brahmajnani, he sees this whole world as nothing else other than himself. This whole world is a manifestation of that Brahma Tattva. Therefore, why would he want something? Now, in this sloka, Bhagavan talks about the same jnani who is out of samadhi. How does he interact with this world? How are his activities? Now, let's go into the sloka. duḥkheṣv-anudvigna manāḥ. Udvigna manāḥ meaning a mind which is agitated. Anudvigna manāḥ, a mind which is not agitated. When in times of sorrow. We all get agitated and disturbed in times of sorrow. Whereas a brahmajnani never gets agitated. Does it mean that a jnani does not have any unhappiness or difficulties in life? It's not so. Prarabdha karma is the karma which gives rise to this body. There are three things decided at the time of birth: jati, ayu, and bhoga. Jati is what species, a human species or an animal species or a plant. Ayu is how long this jivan is going to be in this body. Bhoga is the type of experiences, happiness or sorrow that this jiva will experience in this body. Prarabdha karma is like the arrow shot out of the bow. It cannot be stopped. Therefore, a brahmajnani will also experience difficulties. He may have diseases of the body, like Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, who had throat cancer, Ramana Maharishi, who had cancer on his arms. However, they were not agitated. Sorrow rises from three different points. One is adhyatmika. Adhyatmika, internal from within ourselves. Confusion or less enthusiasm and so on. Adidhaivika, due to destiny, like excess rain, storm, etc. Adibhautika, due to other living beings. So here Bhagavan says that a brahmajnani is not agitated by the sorrow that comes in his life. Second, sukheṣu vigata-spṛhaḥ. A normal being like us crave for happiness. That which gives sorrow, we try to avoid. That which gives us happiness, we want to have more and more, which is actually like a craving. In a jnani, he does not crave for it. He does not ask for it, or he does not long for it. Sukheṣu vigata-spṛhaḥ. vīta-rāga-bhaya-krodhaḥ. He has abandoned three things. What are those? Attachment, fear, and anger. Such a person is a brahmajnani. A brahmajnani's characteristics or lakshanas become our sadhana. Now, let us look at a story of one of a great saint. Saint Ekanath was born in 1533 in Maharashtra. His abhangs are filled with devotion. Once, when Ekanath went to take a bath, one of the villagers who was jealous of him spit on him. Ekanath did not become angry. He went to the river and took bath again. When he came back, the villager spit again. Ekanath did not show any signs of anger. He simply went back to the river and took a bath again. This continued for almost 100 times. Not a single time did Ekanath show any signs of anger. His face was very calm and he went to the river again and again and took bath. The villager was astonished and rather moved. He went to Ekanath and asked for forgiveness. Ekanath forgave him and went on. This is a true sign of Brahmajnani, one who is not disturbed by the external people or events. We will continue again with the next sloka later. Dhanyavadaha.